Here's how to scan a QR code on your iPhone. First, open up Settings and scroll down to Camera. Make sure the Scan QR codes option is turned on. Now, let me show you how it works both with your camera and with a QR code saved to your phone. Once Scan QR codes is enabled, open the camera app. Point the camera at the QR code, and it will automatically detect it. If it doesn't, just tap on the code and then click the link at the bottom to open the website, for example, wikipedia.org. If you have a QR code saved as an image, take a screenshot by quickly pressing the volume up and side button. Afterward, open the screenshot from Photos. Your iPhone will automatically detect the QR code, and all you need to do is tap and hold on it, then select Open in Safari. No matter where the QR code is, whether it's on your phone or in the real world, you can easily open the link attached to it. I hope this helps. If it did, hit subscribe below, it really helps me out. Thanks for watching.